My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. It's more informational. I don't like do my pom-pom dance or anything. I worked at IRS for a decade. I'm a national figure in resolution. I've been on the news many times. Just go to my website at 777irs.com. I've given interviews on Fox, ABC, News Nation, Newsmax, a bunch of them. I'm talking today about IRS tax audits and worker classification. They're big for IRS. Usually, what happens is IRS gets information from a third party. They just don't walk out on this audit and say, gee, let me see, do you have 1099s or W-2s? They, in fact, do not do that. Just so you know, IRS has actually received this from an informant, from a state government, or from another examination, or from auditing somebody, that it's possibly that your business needs a tax audit for worker classification. So I want you to know that if this is you, you really should get representation, because this can cost you dearly. I mean, dearly, 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 dearly. I used to work these cases at IRS, and they're going to file 941s. There's failure to file penalties, a bunch of penalties on this. And this is a case you really need to afford to win. There's a form in SS8. You probably should go to it or pick it up if you're not aware of it. The SS8, just Google IRS SS8. What it does is it goes over all the scenarios that apply to you. Are you an independent contractor, or are you really an employer? It goes over common law rules that go ahead in regard to employees that cover behavior, financial statement type of relationship. What do they do for remote workers, for tax obligations, misclassifications? Everything's on that SS8 form. I just want you to know they have a voluntary settlement program where if this is you, you can go into IRS and say, hey, this is me, mea culpa, mea culpa. I'm just telling you, if you have an IRS worker classification audit, do not, I don't care if you don't hire us, don't go in represented, because it can cost you dearly. We have former IRS agents who used to work these audits really available for you, and at least can explain to you and tell you what's going to happen. But these are, I'm not an alarmist, but this is a more serious type audit. I'm just letting you know ahead of time. Thank you for listening. Give me a subscription. You want me to do something, send me a text or an email, and I can spit something out for you. Well, not spit, but you know what I mean. Thank you for listening. That subscription helps.